a Tudor house today to take to school.
Okay. Enough.
We are gonna put this thing around. Now we are making this thing, the Tudor house ready. And we are putting the sellotape. We are making Tudor house now. We are making the ground ready.
Ground floor using the Kellogg's box. See, we cut the box.
We cut the box and
then,
now we put the sellotape.
We fold it and we put the sellotape and we.
This one is open, so we are gonna put the sellotape around this side so it won't open. Now we are putting the other side.
Cut.
Here. The two floors are ready. Now we are going to make the roof and chimney. Setting it. We folded the edge of this roof so we could keep it like this, or else it can fall down. So we kept it like this and we can put sellotape here inside. We are doing chimney marking now on this roof. So we are putting the pencil inside this tissue paper roll so we could draw this. Now we made a hole in the roof and we fit in the chimney. The next thing is we need to take a white paper and stick it all over the roof and everywhere, and in the second floor also. So we got 3 sheets so we could put it all over.
Wait. What are you trying to do? Wait.
Better?
Correct. Oh, sorry. This is.
Didn't I do it right? Right. Because
You should learn the techniques. What I do. You saw, no? How I did now.
now try like that.
What did I do?
You see when it was correct and you placed it. Now where is that side gone?
Keep. See this side. This side. Okay. Put. It's okay. Put.
I didn't do it right. Huh?
Okay. This center am I keeping? See, it should not go like this. It should not go like this. It is at the center. Both the side. I didn't still stick. I'm holding at the edge. Okay. Like that.
You're saying expand. What means expand?
Stretch.
Stretch?
Stretch. Expand is stretch. Listen. Center. Come straight. Straight. See, this is like not straight. Come this side. Should be in the center. This is also center. Put.
And made the roof and we're cutting that hole so we could put the chimney. And now we need to stick these both on. And then we need to stick the roof on. And we need to put the chimney on.
Now keep it on the top.
The gum potang, not that, yeah.
I will put that side. Firstly, let me
Will you? Have you opened it?
Yes. Let me see how will you put first. Okay. Okay. Hey, I want to put that side up.
Hold this.
Oi.
Front இது back. ரெண்டு சேமா? எப்படி இருக்குது?
Do it like a zigzag in the middle.
Tudor house is ready. We made it with a lot of effort.
The Great Fire of London-Tudor house.
Today I prepared my Tudor house. Now I'm planning to take it to school. So I'm going to put it in the cover and carry it to school. We put it in the cover now.